Hello everyone, I'm Charlene De La Serna, and in this video, I'm going to talk about Test-Driven Development or TDD. We're going to talk about what is TDD, TDD's process cycle, and the benefits of TDD. So let us first answer the question, what is TDD? Test-driven development is a software development technique or discipline in which developers write first automated test cases for enhancement of new features before they actually write any code. It is an approach in which you write your test first before you actually write your implementation. TDD is a software development cycle in which you begin by writing a failing test for the simplest piece of functionality that you need to implement. First, we have the red mode stage. Here it says, write a failing test. Write the test in a way that says what your code should be doing, what kind of piece of behavior or what kind of software or unit in your code should be doing. Then, write the simplest code possible to pass the test. We call this stage as green mode. The goal here is to make the test pass by writing minimum amount of code to make the red test up to green test. The next thing we need to do is the blue state, or what we also call as refactor stage. During the refactoring, we would be modifying the code we wrote at the green step to make the test pass and make it a little bit nicer. Then we go back to the failed test again, write a new test, and then make this new test pass again. And the cycle goes on and on until we complete our software. Just by following this simple process cycle, we achieve several things. Some of the benefits of TDD is it helps us ensure the quality by focusing on the requirements before writing the code. It assists us on keeping our code clear, simple, and testable since codes are broken down into small steps. It provides documentation on how system works for our other team members. It builds a suite of repeatable regression tests and acts as an enabler for rapid change. One of the major things we can achieve from TDD is we eradicate our fear of change. We eradicate our fear of change because these tests are always true. They are our source of truth, and no matter what happens to our code, if the logic is still sound, this should all pass. A lot of software developers are using this discipline for they believe that the test-driven development might be time-consuming at first but is very beneficial in the long run. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you so much for watching.